How to use Threads poll to engage followers. So first of all, let's get into our Threads. Make sure you're logged into your account, then simply tap on the plus icon right here. So in here you can see 3-dot bar, tap on that one, and then you can get the option of poll. Simply tap on poll, and in here now you can start asking your question and adding the options. So in here I'm going to write something like this. So in order to engage your followers in your poll, what you're going to do is write something that is highly relevant to the content that you are posting to. So I'm going to write something very random in here, just like this. But what you need to do in order to engage your followers are write exactly what you post. So if you post as a fitness coach, then you should write something about the fitness, right? So in order to add another option, you can tap on add another option, just like this. And when you're done with it, you can tap on the post, and just like that you'll be able to use your Threads poll to engage followers, and that's it.